My video doorbell sends a motion detected alert every night at 2:53. I found a forum full of users experiencing the exact same issue. Now something seriously strange is going on. The following are posts from the Roost Video Doorbell Help Forum. After my phone started spamming motion detected alerts, I did a quick Google search and stumbled across this thread and created an account. In case it isn't obvious, my username is lightingnations. Dates are in the UK format.
Trying this again because the admins are a bunch of whiny snowflakes who cry whenever somebody uses a naughty word. Video doorbell sends motion alert to my phone every night at 2:53. Tech support keeps saying it's picking up banging on the gate or a squirrel, but that's rubbish. All the camera sees is the patio floor and the furniture. Can I get some assistance, please?
I'm in the exact same boat, 2:53 each night. Like clockwork. There's weird pixelation / distortion in the footage, but it works like a charm the rest of the time. Monitoring this thread. To tech support, not good enough. Mine is doing the same thing. Bloody phone goes off every night and I get an alert with garbled footage. The support line aren't much help. I've muted notifications for now, but it's a bit pointless having the camera if it won't warn me and misses whenever someone's breaking in. A solution would be very much appreciated. Cheers.
Glad to see it isn't only me. I've been on the phone to the tech guys for days. Useless.
Hi Dan, there are instructions for fixing this exact same issue in the user guide, page 53. I've attached a PDF version here. Follow the troubleshooting steps and you'll be good as new.
That is not a guide for a video doorbell. Those are instructions for installing a smart fridge. Did you upload the wrong file? How is that supposed to help anybody? This is a support forum for Roost video doorbells, idiot.
Then just ignore that poster. He's a troll. I'm pretty sure that's his 6th account.
Does this fucking idiot not have anything better to do? Maybe he should get a job with Roost tech support. It can't be that hard. Good news for once. Technical morons sending me a replacement. I just had to shout at them for 3 hours. Useless, I swear. The replacement sends the exact same alerts. No motion in the garden, no intruders, no animals. I've checked the video feed and there's nothing, just a fuzzy shape. I've rated these idiots 1 star on Amazon.
Hi everyone, afraid I'm in the exact same boat, triggering at 2:53. Video feed comes out garbled but is fine / works perfectly at the rest of the day. The tech guy said that it might be a low tree branch blowing in the wind, but I'd expect to be receiving random alerts spaced out across several hours, not once per day at the exact same time. I spent a fair chunk of change on this thing and now Roost won't issue a refund, only replacements.
Sorry, it's my fault then. I was in the garden, piping your mom down, wearing camo gear, which is why you couldn't see us. Okay, so I'm not so sure the doorbell is actually the problem. I got held up at work last night, joys of working in IT, and was eating dinner at 2:53 when the microwave fritzed. The digital clock blinked on and off for a full minute. Meanwhile, my Echo device stopped mid-song and I got another motion alert. 1 minute later and everything went back to normal. We'll maybe get an electrician around to have a look. Also, the footage distortion keeps getting worse. Now in the alerts it kinda looks like there's static, except it's warping around the garden. Nearly gave the wife a heart attack.
That's interesting about the electrics. It was posted.
My TV fritzed just now. Same problem as Polio 10. Blinked on and off for a full minute, right as the motion alert came through. Do you think maybe these things are draining power when they do overnight software updates or something? I'm not very technical. Might not make sense, just a thought. I'm gonna check for grid faults with the council. Such is life in the south of England. Empty office buildings, rising hunger, and now potential rolling blackouts. Lovely.
Tell me about it. I'm in. The stories you hear are heartbreaking.
Seriously? This is spooky. I'm in as well. I'm tempted to say there's a faulty batch of doorbells sitting in an Amazon warehouse somewhere that are gonna start blowing fuses. A replacement is on the way to me, by the way. Arranged it before noticing the problems with the microwave. Had the electrician around and he saw no problems. I have smashed this thing already, but the missus saw how much I spent on it, so... Holy shit! This is too many top hats reporting to you live from... And the 12 points from England go to... Nah, but seriously, Roost ships internationally. Weird we are all in the same city. The council say everything is fine, by the way. Hi, experiencing the same issue. Also in... Quick update. The guy who lives 3 doors down from me also has a Roost doorbell, different model, and he has the exact same problem. Motion alerts and model footage at 2:53. Works like a charm all the other times. Also, we're both now getting garbled audio like feedback whine from an amplifier in the recordings. The fun never ends.
I mean, sick of this rubbish. Can't say what I really think because of the stupid admin idiots. Now getting somebody outside alerts. They send me a third device, now installed. If this one goes off again tonight, I'm gonna go outside and rip it out of the door frame and send them the repair bill. Sick of this. The device is not working as intended. Go outside at 2:53. Check the camera.
What do you mean, check the camera? I've got my replacement installed, and this one bugs out worse than before. Now the bell rings for 1 minute non-stop, and I get constant "there's somebody at the door" alerts. Hearing the stupid jingle in my dreams now. I won't even show the wife the footage cause it's like a figure made of pixels keeps ringing the bell. Also hearing the high-pitched screech when I play back the footage. I'm seriously about to go all Office Space on this thing. Yeah, I'm confused. Then, could you elaborate? Preferably with less capital letters and more punctuation than usual? Dan was right. Go outside at 2:53. Check the camera.
What do you mean check the camera? Check what, specifically?
Yeah, please elaborate. I've got the same problem as Palio and now lighting. Full minute of somebody at the door alerts and constant ding dong with multiple distortions about the garden. When I play back the recording's audio from outside, it's all screechy. Also, the app is useless. Tried disabling alerts on the phone, but they still came through. Already couldn't sleep because the wind keeps banging on the gate. This is the last thing I need. Fed up, to be honest. I'll be hearing that stupid two-note chime in hell the way things are going. One more night of this, and I'm grabbing the sledgehammer. Let's see if it detects that motion. The others were right. Go outside at 2:53. Check the camera.
What? It's freezing this time of year. I'm not getting out of bed in the middle of the night to check the cameras. I've decided to get a ring device instead and cut my losses. It's already been ordered. Cheers. Later that night, my phone buzzed on the bedside table. Like always, motion detector alerts started coming through at 2:53. now trembling. I brought up the feed from outside. There was nothing except a peaceful garden. Two officers turned up, checked the footage, and dismissed the encounter as a mixture of a technical glitch, an overactive imagination, and some nasty weather. But when I next clicked onto the forum, there were 4 new posts.
It's 2:53. Time to come outside. It's 2:53. Time to come outside. It's 2:53. Time to come outside. It's 2:53. Time to come outside.